Today we're going to present how to work with green screen. So I already have my student, okay, and I'm going to use a Gramophone, and I may come back and add this background or another. The first thing I want to do is make this transparent. So I'm going to do select subject, okay, and now I'm going to do select inverse, and on my keyboard I'm just going to hit the backspace. And then I want to make the background transparent. However, the background is locked, so I'll need to unlock it before I hit the backspace. Now, as you can see, there's also some parts of it that is still kept. So I can go back over here and work with my quick selection tool if needed. Okay, and I may need to adjust that just a little bit and get that just right. Okay, I probably want to go ahead and label this Grammy Transparent. And maybe go ahead and do a file save as, since this is the transparent one, in case I need to come back and do any other adjustment to this. Okay, now I can do Control A for all, edit copy. And then edit and paste that into my other document. I want to add a new blank layer, layer 1, edit, paste. Okay, so now I've got my Grammy here. Obviously I'm going to need to move that. And I may need to resize it. Also, after you do that, you can always go back under Image and edit, okay, and skew it if you need to turn it around to make it look like it's a little bit more realistic. So that's edit, transform. Again, we could rotate it, skew it, make it look a little bit more realistic if needed. Okay, I'm also going to go back to my original layer and remove the green screen. That probably should have been our first step. So select subject. If your green screen, it's pretty good, then we should be able to select this all at once and do select inverse. Okay, and then hit the backspace, and that will delete everything, and Control D to deselect. So next I just did a quick edit copy, edit paste, and I've got my layer here, and I want this to be the background layer. So now I'm going to click and drag this, because remember, whatever is in the background layer is what will be first for the stacking order. Click, and there we have it. So we've removed the green screen. We can add some items to it. To make this look a little bit more realistic, we can go add a little drop shadow on there and then just save it. So this is another tutorial about green screens from Southern Lee High School. So using the same principle, I've got SpongeBob, and this one I actually went into Google and I went and tried under our tools. So I'll click transparent. And then under tools, I chose a size that's large that we could use, and I saved it. So then edit copy. I already added one over here, but let me just add another new layer. Edit paste. Control T for edit free transform. Okay, and maybe we want a picture of SpongeBob pointing to the nose. Okay, I could also adjust the opacity of the layer, etc. And I can, sorry, turn the wrong one on. So as you can see, once you use the green screen, there are a lot of cool and different things that you can do with that.